Hey, it's Kate. It's 1 a.m. Saturday morning, blizzard time. The wind is blowing pretty good. It's still snowing, well, quite a bit, blowing in my face. You can kind of tell on top of the motorcycles that it's a, let me see if it wants to focus because it's beautiful out. The snow falling makes it want to go out of focus, but it's probably, yeah, I don't know. It looks like we got about a good 5-6 inches going now. I looked out earlier and my footsteps from a couple hours ago are gone. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. It's amazing that it's so light out here for 1 a.m. It's just the reflective light. So yeah, loving it. See what it looks like in the morning. Bye.